Working the Guldan's chicken farm. Yeah, we got 1,000 chicken. Try and keep up. Bleeding dry, walk in the barn, grab a bottle of whiskey, find a little chicken and tug on his pee-pee.
Just imagine the terror we could unleash together.
Billy got caught fucking the chickens, looked at me and pulled up his britches. I guess it's okay. What's the harm in a little fun? Until old Smokey blows into town, then you'll be on the run. Chicken, oh chicken, oh good chicken, chicken for the chicken, chicken for my children, chicken in the pot and chicken in the spigot.